Hello everyone, welcome to Codoid's YouTube channel. So today you are going to learn some useful npm commands. So this is our first video on Playwright. So before install showing the Playwright installation or Playwright scripting, so we would like to show you some useful commands. If you know these commands, like you can resolve some package, like if you have incorrect package or if you would like to upgrade your npm package, so these commands will be helpful for you. Yeah, so let's get started. So npm is a package node package manager. So we have a node, and then first you have to install node, then you have to install npm, that is a node package manager. So to check the what version of npm you have, so you have to use npm-v. And then the next command is to create a project. So all these commands are really like a basic commands. So all you are aware of these things already, but like I'm starting from the basic. So like you will learn some advanced or some useful commands in the upcoming points. So to install a package, npm install and then give the package name. And to install package in your system, so you can install package in your local project, that is in your project, or in the system. So if it is installed in the system, so it would be applicable for all the projects what you are using in that machine. So to install it in your system, you have to use -g, that denotes global. To update a package, use npm update and then the package name. To remove a package, use npm uninstall and then give the package name. And to install a specific package version, so followed by package name, use at and then the version. So if your npm packages are behaving weirdly, okay, and then you're not able to conclude, okay, what's wrong with your code or with the execution, so to clear the cache and try it. Okay, so and to verify whether cache, how much cache is there, so you can use npm cache verify. So after verifying, like if you'd like to clean it, so use npm cache clean and -force. To check the vulnerability of your package, okay, so use npm audit and check what is the vulnerability audit score from npm. And also to check the outdated packages what you have in your machine, so you can also check that. So these are the useful commands which we would like to show you today. And now I'll show you how to run these commands in a machine. So how to do that in a practical approach. So now I've created a new AWS instance, EC2 instance, Ubuntu instance, to show you how to set up Node.js and install npm and how to run all those useful commands here. Yeah. So let me start with node v. So I don't have node.js in this machine, so I'm going to install node.js. Sudo apt install, sudo apt update. Yeah, so now I'm going to install node.js. Yeah, so node.js is installed. So to check what version of node.js I have, so you have to use node-v. Yeah, node is installed successfully. So now I'm going to install npm. if you're going to run automated scripts in any DevOps pipeline, okay, so you have to install if you have a standalone test bed, so you can install this only once. Or if you have any AWS instance, install all the prerequisite and then create the same EC2 instance again and again. So instead of installing it multiple times. Yeah, the installation is about to complete. Press OK. Yeah. So to check npm version, so you have to use npm-v. Yeah. So npm is also installed successfully. So now I'm going to create a new project. So before that, I'm going to create a new directory. So the directory name is training. And now I'm on that directory. So here I'm going to use npm init. So this will create a new project inside training folder. So package name, it is asking what is that package, what package name you want to give. So I'm leaving that as a default. Version default, description training project, and I'm leaving it as index.js as entry point. So default, no git repository, no keywords. Author, I'm giving Codoid innovations. License default, so type yes. Yeah, now the project is created. So if you want to see what files are created using npm init, use ls. So package.json is created. Yeah. So now I'm going to install playwright. So using npm install. So use npm install playwright, and then so I'm installing a specific version. Because I have not used npm -g, that is npm install the package name and -g, because I need this particular package inside my project. So if you press that is, if you try ls again, so because the node the playwright package is installed inside the node module. So now I'm going inside the node module folder and ls. See, playwright is installed here. So now I have installed a specific package, right? So that is specific version, right, of playwright. So I want to see what is the latest package, or whether the package whatever I have, okay, are outdated. So to see that, as I mentioned before, use outdated. See, I have installed playwright 1.37.0. So the latest version is 1.37.1. So to you can also use npm update to get the latest version of playwright. Yeah. Now if you see the outdated details, I'm not getting anything, because all the node modules are the packages whatever I have for this particular projects are up to date. And now I'm going to try, that is, I'm going to verify whether I have a cache or not. Yeah. So it just gives like how much bytes I have in the cache. So if you want to remove it, npm cache clean -force. So So I'm getting a warning in Ubuntu. I'm not sure what protection is enabled on this machine. So let me try npm uninstall. So now I'm going to use npm uninstall. And removing playwright. Yeah. So now use ls. So I don't have any modules inside the that is any packages inside the node modules folder. So these are the useful commands. You can use it in your test bed, and then even in your EC2 instance to manage the packages. And this is how you can resolve, okay, if there is any package issues, or if you want to remove it and then reinstall it, or even if you want to remove the cache and then see whether the problem is getting resolved or not. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So more videos on playwright will be published soon. So we'll be creating a separate playlist for playwright alone. Yeah, thank you.